What's up everyone? Joe here. Welcome to another vlog. It's been a while since I haven't recorded any vlogs. So today it's just an average vlog. I'm gonna do a small review of my camera bag and tell you about it. I've owned it for over a year now, and I'm gonna do a small review about it, and you're gonna have to stick around for that. And I'm not alone actually. I'm with Carlo.
Hello.
And his brother.
Hello.
So we're gonna do a photo shoot for him because it's his birthday. He's the birthday boy.
Yeah.
And as I'm doing the photo shoot, I'm also gonna give you some small tips about the photo shoots and do the review about the camera bag. But let's just go to the location that we're gonna photograph. I'll do some small B-rolls as well. Let's go. So we arrived at the first location. Hazing out. Wait, let me show you something. We climbed it. Yeah, it's a bit high, I know. It's dangerous. It's worth the photos that we're gonna get. Yeah. Be careful, don't trip. Yeah. So I'm gonna take some photos right now, and I'll tell you some tips as well. So I just finished the photo shoot, and I'm gonna hit you with a quick tip for telling your model how to pose. So right here I have my other name. So Joe's with us now. I'm gonna guide him a bit on how he could pose. He's not an expert at posing, so I'm gonna guide him with a couple of sentences that won't take too much, and don't take a lot of explanation, so he can get it right. So we're gonna show a lot of his outfit. He's focusing on his outfit, and I'm gonna photograph him in landscape. I'm not gonna turn that to landscape now. So I'm gonna tell him to put his right arm on this tree trunk right there, and tell him to hold his end of his shirt, just like that, and maybe raise the right foot exactly, and then I'll just snap the picture in portrait mode. Maybe tell him to think about looking at the horizon, although the horizon is the other way, but he's gonna try and do an impression, and that's gonna be his photo, and that's good. And you can tell him to look at the camera as well, and this will be a great photo too. So this is just a quick tip on how you can guide your model if he doesn't have experience in modeling. Let's go to the other location and maybe hit you with another tip and show you about the bag. Okay, now the problem, we're gonna get down, but who's gonna go first? Come on, go get down.
Bye guys.
I'm gonna wait for you.
See you tomorrow.
This is scary as fuck. How's it going down there?
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, taxi.
You're alive.
This is a good location, guys.
Carlo likes this thing. He wants to get photographs up there. He wants to sit on it and get a photo.
Yes.
There are girls watching this vlog.
No, I don't care. عندك sanitizer?
I forgot it. I forgot the sanitizer.
J'ai oublié le sanitizer.
I need to train to speak French more often because I'm traveling to France. Yeah, that's some sad news, I know. I'm leaving my country, but it's for the best. Come on, okay, I'm opening it. There you go. Happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ouch. It's hot. So we parked in a location, got some drinks, talked a bit, discussed about what we're gonna do later on this day. Hit cheers to better things, no COVID, no bullshit. And we decided to take a story, a selfie, just for social media. And we hit another cheers for another good day, for another good year, for another good time. And so we talked some stuff, we talked about things, and I went outside and we also hit cheers just to show you the place that we parked in. And I was telling Carlo that this place is good to shoot a small movie. I'm liking it. Maybe I could shoot a short movie right here someday. And Carlo was telling me that my car is so dirty, it needed to be washed. And I knew that. And so the reason that I'm doing the voiceover is that we forgot to put the mic on for the previous parts, and I know I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Oh, I bet you did. So we parked in the most strange place ever. Look what I found. Look what I found. It's freaking chocolate that hasn't been available for years. It's my favorite chocolate. You want it back?
Please, Tutti Frutti, please. Shit. Okay. You're talking shit.
So this is the next location. There's a gate over there. So we just finished in this location. Time to head to the third and last location for the sunset photos. And okay, I'm stalling a lot. We don't have to stall. And I'm gonna review the camera bag as well. So okay, let me just open the car for you guys. And I have this lens attached right here. Okay, so the gate was closed and they opened it. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, there we go. The damn oil just lit up in the car. It's sunset.
Yeah!
We gotta do it fast. We gotta take the photos pretty fast. There's a spot right there. That's pretty cool.
Parkour.
Yeah, that's for parkour. I forgot to lock the car. Jesus. King. You know, the stairways look cool here. Let's just take some pictures here and then we'll go to the last place. Okay, how we gonna take some shit here? Damn.
Look at it.
He's just too excited, even more than me. Nice. Oh, hello.
Hello!
We're gonna jump.
كيف فيك تقطع منيحة هيك مع الكارو وهيدا.
Nice. That's the second time you hit your head and I haven't recorded it. It's not my fault. You're just too much enthusiastic. Yeah, be careful next time.
Don't try this at home. Look.
No.
When you want Tarzan from AliExpress.
تحكي انجلش بس نحضر
لا.
لا يعني.
Jump! Muscle, yes.
What? No.
Don't. This is my wallet. This is his phone.
Thank you. I took it.
This is my phone. And he took my wallet. Give it back.
نحن فايتين
I took the key off his car.
او بدك تقول هلو
Hello. Come.
We need to take the pictures.
بالحق
Cool. Hallway. Shit. Oh my god. Come see
Hello.
that. Come see that.
لك على فكره هو المدير تبع الفيديو انت عم
That's cool. Oh. مصور فيديو man.
فيديو؟
Yeah. Let me try to take a picture.
هيك حلوة صورة.
هاتي. Okay, so I just captured some photos for myself right here and I really like them. I hope I'll like them during the editing, but you know, pre-editing, I already like them. So I'm gonna tell you now about the camera bag that I have, and the camera is not focusing on me. Okay, so this is the place. It's in theater. I don't know why I picked this place. It seems like it's somewhere without any noise or
No persons here.
no disturbance or anything, so it's gonna be real quiet, real calm. Yeah, this is this place. Okay, this is the camera bag. I have everything in it. I'll leave a link in the description for where I bought it from. Honestly, like straight review from the beginning. I love it. It's great. It's versatile. It has a lot of room. It has many pockets as well. Where do I start? Okay, so basically this bag is, you know, it kind of looks like a hiking bag. You have these two shoulder pads and you have like a small belt for where you can attach it to your chest. You know, you can have more, it can be more secured if you're scared to, you know, make it slip. It has also a place where I can put my tripod on, right here. And I'm using it on my camera right now, so I'll show it to you later. It also has a strap to, you know, hold the tripod a lot more. You can also put your tripod right here. There's also this pocket. So this is the pocket where I slide my camera inside with the lens. And so I can easily remove it if I'm wearing, you know, let me show you just a quick demonstration. If I have the bag on me, I can just open this, pull up the camera, close it, and we're good to go. So this is also a sign of great versatility. We have two pockets for micro SD cards, for SD cards, not micro. You can put a lot of them in here. That's great. For the main part, the whole purpose of this bag, this pocket right here, this is where you put all your camera gear. I'll do a camera gear review later of what's in my camera bag, but I have some lenses and I have some ND filters as well and an extra battery just to keep everything safe. And something also great about this bag, so if you don't have perfect sizes, I just put those to my liking, so you can remove them. They are Velcro. You can place them however you want to place them. I had this one extra. I couldn't throw it, so I put it above here to protect the lens that's on the camera. What else? It also has some cushions, so it can, you know, it won't let your back hurt a lot. And this is great for your lumbar. This is great for your lumbar on the back, this one, this part. It also has something really cool for weather sealing. This is it's like a bag for the bag, a bag for the bag. It protects it from rain. It's really cool. Or you can use it for your camera as well. You know, you can also remove it and put it on yourself if you wanted to, but I don't recommend that. And it goes in pretty well. You also have some extra space in here. That's pretty cool. If you want to put some power banks or something and have the cable, you know, go out from here. Else, we have two extra pockets in here. That's,
Yeah.
what's that? Oh, nothing. It's just, you know, my exam. It's my university exam, but I don't know why I keep it here. Maybe it gives me some good luck. I also have another pocket in here. I used to have some HDMI connectors if I wanted to present something from the camera on the screen. Unfortunately, I had a Velcro placed here, so this doesn't, you know, become loose a lot, but it came off and it's okay. It's still good. And this is the last pocket. This is the best part of the bag. We have some extra space over here, some pockets, you can put some stuff. I have an adapter for my laptop, some storage devices, my power adapter. I have a pocket knife, you know, that has all the tools I need just in case I had something to fix. Knives and everything, and screwdrivers.
I want one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I also have a bag for my ND filters. This is where I place all my ND filters. I'll do a review about this one really soon. I also been using it for some time and I'm gonna do a review about it. And there's something pretty cool about this bag. It has a laptop slot. This is where I put my laptop. I'll do a review as well on this laptop soon. This has a limit for, you know, the laptop size. It has a maximum limit for 15 inches, not more. I tried to slip in 17 inches, but it will get, you will have to stretch the edges a bit more. It gets in, but it's better if you have 13 or 15 inch laptops. And so for the last pocket, I have my accessories over here. And the reason I have them here is because I just want to access them pretty fast and easy. You know, if I needed something really fast, my AirPods or my glasses or some transparent glasses, I just grab them from here. And that's it about the bag. It's not expensive, by the way. I bought it for 60 bucks. That's a great deal for a camera bag like this one. I'll leave a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. And so this is it. It's a pretty good bag. I don't know what brand this is. It has the brand over here. And so this is the end of the review and of the vlog for today. Wait, we're gonna go have dinner?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna keep the video rolling, but this is the end for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like on this video, I'm gonna tell you from now. And make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of content and if you're new to the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed the review. I'll see you in the next video and enjoy the rest of it. Oh no, we forgot
The pass.
we forgot the gate. It's a gate.
Gate.
Okay, can you get down and help him?
Yes, take it. I'm coming for help.
Oh, you took his place, yeah?
Of course.
يلا اطلع.
وزوجته
Without him.
Hello. He took my place.